Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Do Not Disturb stuck in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your Do Not Disturb mode has been stuck, like it's not enabling or disabling, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can try to make a restart. Just click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again. It will make a restart your phone, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed. Restart can easily fix some software glitches and technical errors. But if you're still facing the same issue, you can try to scroll down, go to settings here, go to very first go to software update, and you can try to update your software. After updating your software, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go back from here, go to general management, go to reset, select reset all settings, click on reset settings, and then click on reset to confirm to reset your settings. And once your reset the settings have been resetted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.